problems with the front disc brake on a Chinese scooter. I press the lever, but there is no braking, despite the fact that the handle is pressed all the way. We will disassemble and look. First you need to remove the lower hydraulic system with pads. We also need to remove the pads to see what's wrong with them. We need a key for 12, a knob. The bolts are very carefully remove the brake from the disc. Here are the pads themselves. Everything is very dirty and the pads need to be cleaned. I cleaned all the dirt on the brake system with solvent. And how did I solve the problem? I slightly unscrewed this bolt with a 12 wrench. I drained a couple of drops of brake fluid, quite a bit. I bled the brake fluid by pressing the lever and the brakes worked again. It is advisable, of course, to remove this box cover with brake fluid and fill in new brake fluid. Here is the window for checking the brake fluid level. Also, do not forget to clean the disc with solvent. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.